The natural wonders of Shaanxi, China. Shaanxi is not just about Xi'an's city walls and the terracotta warriors, it's where ancient culture meets breathtaking nature. Step beyond history and discover raw beauty. Mount Hua's razor-sharp peaks pierce the clouds. Hukou Waterfall thunders with the power of the Yellow River. Zhongnan Mountain hides misty temples and silent forests, while Longtou Mountain and the Wave Valley paint a dream of clouds and colors. This is the wild and stunning side of Shaanxi, don't miss it. First stop, Hukou Waterfall. It's the same view printed on China's 50 RMB bill from the 1980s. This is the largest yellow waterfall in the world, born from the mighty Yellow River, China's mother river. Listen closely, the roaring waves sound like thousands of galloping horses. It's one of the most powerful natural spectacles in China, a must-see on your Shaanxi trip. Next, Mount Hua. One of China's 5 great mountains, Mount Hua is famous for being the steepest and most thrilling of them all. The Qinglong Ridge Trail has cliffs that drop straight into the abyss. Climb up to the south peak, the highest point, and enjoy a panoramic view that will take your breath away. And if you're brave enough, walk the plank walk in the sky, known as the most dangerous trail in Mount Hua. Third, Zhongnan Mountain. Zhongnan Mountain is more than just a mountain, it's a living cultural landmark that has inspired poets, scholars, and hermits for over 2,000 years. Misty forests surround ancient temples, hidden waterfalls lie deep within winding trails, and in winter, snow-covered pines and red temple walls create scenes straight out of an ink painting. Fourth, Wave Valley in Yulin. Often compared to Mars, this surreal canyon is called one of China's most stunning geological wonders, a social media sensation in recent years. Stretching 5.8 kilometers long, the valley was formed during the Cretaceous period as wind and water carved layers of sandstone into waves of red and gold. Here, fiery red rocks twist like ocean waves, it feels like stepping onto another planet. In the Red Cliff area, sheer canyon walls tower over the Yellow Plateau, with a river of drifting sand cutting through, a breathtaking contrast of color and texture. In the heart of the canyon, it feels like the Grand Canyon of China, towering cliffs on both sides, a ribbon of sky above, and 100 million years of Earth's history written in stone. Fifth, Longtou Mountain. Hidden deep within the Qinling Mountains, Longtou Mountain is a paradise above the clouds. Once an ancient route between North and South China, it's a land of legends. Every season brings new beauty, rhododendrons bloom in the misty spring, snow blankets the pines in winter, and every photo looks like a fantasy film scene. It truly feels like stepping into a real-life sky castle. That's all for top 5 breathtaking natural wonders of Shaanxi. Hope you found one that inspires your next adventure. This channel will continuously update cities and attractions in China. Welcome to follow and leave your comments.